Good day. If you want to calculate the correct lot size directly using Tradingview, this guide shows the exact formula and tool to do it accurately before entering any trade. So first off, before calculating, decide how much of your account you want to risk per trade. So for example, account has $1,000, risk 1%, and maximum loss is $10. On your chart toolbar, select long position or short position tool. It's going to be right over here, long position or short position tool, and drag from entry to stop loss level. This automatically calculates risk and position size visually. Then double click the position box and enter account size, risk percentage. TradingView instantly calculates your proper position size. Move your stop loss or entry level. The position tool updates automatically, so you can fine-tune risk before placing a trade. So this is how you calculate the lot size in TradingView. Set risk, measure stop distance, and let the position tool calculate the exact trade size for you. Enjoy the video. See you soon.